How's my couch commandos? You don't see this sitting on the couch. It's Wednesday, October 22nd. We're in Raton, New Mexico. How are my girls? That's why you got to stay off the couch. There's my sit-up bench. Look how beautiful it is. I got a whole herd of deer, these freeloaders, looking for more food. Hope everyone's doing well. Here comes Halloween. There's the one right there. I haven't named them. Here comes some more. Here she comes. You don't get this on the couch, you guys. Hope everybody's training. How's my girl? I know you're going to be on YouTube. We're in New Mexico. It's so beautiful. I'm not training that much. Hope everyone's doing well. This is why you stay off the couch. Hi, little baby. Hope everybody enjoys this. It's beautiful, the plains of New Mexico. Here's another freeloader. Yeah, all they do is eat and sleep. So again, it's Wednesday, October 22nd. I'm in Raton, New Mexico. It was called Willow Springs. There's my camper. The Expedition. And there you have them. So you can bring your sit-up bench when you go camping. I'll pan around real slow for you guys. Clouds are moving in. The weather can change in a heartbeat. I don't know how they did it. Here's a nosy neighbor right there. Hi, little baby. Look at them all. All these freeloaders. Hope everyone's doing well. Here she comes. Anyway, take care. You know my saying, the couch is the coffin and the TV is the headstone. I'll be back home soon, back at Gold's Gym. I got a whole herd of freeloaders here. Is that beautiful or what? Wild. A wild bunch here. Over and out.